People always are asking me, what should I do to maintain my home, especially seasonally? And I actually have a book. If you would like it, I'm happy to send it to you. I know that's very old school, but I'm happy to do it. But I just have 4 quick things that you should look at. So 1, whatever you're getting your heat from, you should have it serviced. So most of you, it's going to be a gas forced air furnace. Some of you might have the little squares on the wall, electric cadets, and some of you might actually have the fancy sort of European big square things at the top of your wall. All of those need to be serviced at least once a year, and fall is a perfect time to do that because you're going to start using that on a very regular basis. You're going to want to make sure that the filter is clean. I would call an HVAC company to come out and actually go in there and adjust it to make sure it's burning correctly and clean it and just get it all tuned up and ready to go because we're supposed to have a terrible winter this year. That's the first thing. Secondly, I would just do a quick walk around your house. Even if you have a townhouse, even if you have a condo, what you're looking for are holes in the siding or in any venting, cracks in any of the siding or any of the venting, or places where little things can get in, because mice and rats, which we have a ton of in Portland, love to nest. And squirrels also. I had squirrels in my attic last year, which were a nightmare to get out of the attic. So just kind of look around, see if there's anything weird that you see. Go in your basement, and ideally if you have a crawl space, you should go in there, although I probably wouldn't want to, and check if there's any water. If there is, go outside and check if there is a downspout that maybe is disconnected or just draining right on the foundation. And then let me see my list. I'm just looking at my list. You want to also trim your plants away from your house. So again, when you're looking around for sort of holes in the vents and stuff, so you know how you have like a screen about this big, and it's going to be mesh. A lot of times little animals, like sometimes even cats, raccoons, rats, mice, they pull it apart or chew through it to get into your crawl space or your basement and nest. So you want to make sure all of those are solid and look good. And then the second thing is smaller pests like ants and carpenter ants and termites, which we still have termites here, even though they're pretty non-aggressive, they will do damage. And beetles are another big one. If you have those beautiful vines on the side of your house, you want to at least check once a year to make sure there's nothing behind it, like a nice channel for termites to get into your house, or beetles, or ants, or anything like that. So I usually pull everything off the side of my house in fall just to check it and make sure it all looks okay, because that's literally a super highway straight into your house for pests. If you do all of those things in the next month, you will be set for winter. And then when March rolls around, ideally you won't have any issues with carpenter ants or termites or beetles or anything like that. But if you do, give me a call because I can get you some people to help take care of it. As always, comment below or just let us know what you want me to address, because of course I want to answer any of your questions that you have, and reach out to us, Claire at Paris Group Realty. And I hope you have a great dreary day, and we'll talk soon. Take care.